welcome to PSM Perfect Solution for Maths. Today we are going to have a special three concepts over here. The first one, the result of the creative craft and drawing competition. The second one, we are going to discuss is feedback from the competitors, and the third one, there is a new competition is coming in PSM collaborating with one more person. So this is the thing, the three things today we are going to see in PSM. So let us see that one by one. Coming to the first, that is a creative craft and drawing competition, that is the result day. We have to see the result, who came first, who came second, that is most important. But here the competitors, there were 22 members and all the 22 members have participated, and very nicely some of the audience have voted them and encouraged them. So these are the 22. Once again you can check their crafts. In this, two are the winners of this competition. There were two types of voting in the creative craft and drawing competition. The first one was the liking the comment, second one the clicking the card. The calculation of the vote. Now coming to the liking the comment, there is 80% of the total vote will count, and clicking the cards you will take the 20%. So liking the comment, in that the calculation process will go like this way. The participants comment vote divide by total vote into 80, because we are converting to 80%. So participant how much he got the vote, and the total votes including all the 22 persons, how much the total vote is. And second one is clicking the card, that is 20%. Here is the 20% calculation. Participants card vote, how much percent they have got the vote, for example 50, 60, like this way, divide by 100 into 20. So afterwards we will find the total votes, that is 80% of liking the votes, comment vote liking, and 20% the clicking the card. We have calculated, and here are the winners. Here is the total voting, how it went. The liking the comment from 1 to 22, all the votes are here, and clicking the cards also from number 1 to number 22, all the votes are here. You can refer that, and now you can calculate, and we will find who is the winner by the calculation. Here is the result of the competition, that is creative craft and drawing competition result. So here are the numbers, you can see from 1 to 22 all the members. I have written the comments like how much they have voted in the comment section, and I have converted to 80%. And then the card vote, you can see the card vote there was, and that is converted to 20% of the card vote, and the total votes are given on the right hand side. You can check it out from number 1 to 22. And now the coming to who will come first. So which number it came first, which number it came second, we will enclose now. So this is the number wise from participant 1 to 22. Now we will see who came first. So winner is number 21 with comment likes 157 of 80%, 13.07. Card vote is 60, and 20% when you will convert it will be 12, and total votes is 25.07. She is the winner. Number 21 is the winner. Coming to the second winner, who is the second winner? She got the comment likes 167. It is converted to 80%, that is 13.90. Then cards vote is 50, so that is 20% is 10. So total vote is 23.90. Our number is 11. So number 21 and 11, congratulations, you are the first and the second winner. Winner of Creative Craft and Drawing Competition 2020. The first prize goes to Nandini Kamath, and second prize goes to Sanjana Naik. And congratulations both of you from PSM Perfect Solution for Maths channel, and all other participants. Remember one thing, participation is more important than the prize. So better luck next time, because PSM bringing one more competition for you. Let us have the feedback from the winners. First, Sanjana S. Naik, the second winner. Now we will have the feedback from the winner Nandini Kamath. Let us have the new competition. PSM Perfect Solution for Math presents the next competition as Mathematical Modeling and Theorem Competition. Never before by any YouTube channel, but for the first time in our PSM Perfect Solution for Math channel, you are given an opportunity in this lockdown to explore your knowledge in mathematics. Send your mathematical modeling videos to us and get amazing cash prize. So this is a competition. The competition over here is mathematical modeling and theorem competition. So what it is? So let us see one by one. We have the several rule for this. So we will check one by one how we have to create that video and how you have to send it to us within how much time. So this is the thing. So we will go to the rules now. Remember this, the competition is mathematical modeling and theorem competition. To start any of the competition we need a financial help. So for this mathematical modeling and theorem competition, there is a sponsor is Milan Enterprises. He is sponsoring this mathematical modeling and theorem competition. So coming to the Milan Enterprises, he have the branch in Honavar, Bhatkar, Sirsi, Dandeli and Haliyal, and you can check in the video, there are the numbers, you can contact them and they will give the home delivery for you in the Murdeshwar, Bhatkar, Honavar, Kumta, Karwar, everywhere they will give the home delivery also. And they have the special prices for that you are what you are going to buy. For example, here you have the details. You can check them and you can contact them and you can buy. It is a home delivery also they will provide to you. So the sponsor by Miller Enterprises, that is mathematical modeling and theorem competition. Coming to the mathematical modeling and theorem competition rules. Here are the rules. One by one we will discuss. So what are the rules over here? The first one rule is only one video can be sent by the participants on any mathematical topic or theorem of your choice. Here the thing is you can send any topic, you can choose any topic and you can make a video and you can send to us. And remember that here I have given mathematical topic or theorem. Any one you have to choose. Topic you have to take. Any topic you can take and you can explain it. And also the theorem you can take and you can explain it. And one more thing, you can prepare any one model and about that model you can explain it. For example, if you are preparing a cuboid like this way and you can take that cube and you can explain what are the properties of that cube and what are the properties of cuboid, like that way also you can explain, or any mathematical models you can use for this thing. And also if you want to solve any problem, but if when you are solving a problem as an example, remember it must contain a formula and you have to explain that formula and then you have to solve that problem. That is also possible. But one thing, it must be related to maths only. If it is related to anything else, it will not be displayed in the YouTube. So remember, here you can take any mathematical topic, theorem or mathematical model or any one example of math problem, and there you can apply the formula and explain the formula and you can send that video to us. Coming to the second, that is the rule. You can explain your topic with your creative ideas with the help of models, charts and graph, etc. Remember here when you are teaching anything or explaining anything, here you can use any models or charts or graph. What you want you can take. You can explain in the recording in the laptop or computer or mobile and send it to us. The model you can use. Example I have told, you can prepare a model of a mass, that is cube, cuboid and all, and you can use that and you can explain it. So that is the second rule. Third rule, total time duration of your video must be not more than 10 minutes. Your video must within 10 minutes only. If it is more than 10 minutes, that will not be allowed. Only within 10 minutes you have to explain and you have to send that video to us. Next one, the videos must not contain any background music. Very importantly, if you are applying any background music, that video will not be uploaded to the YouTube. Remember, the video must not contain any background music. That is the next rule. Coming to the fifth rule, you have to introduce yourself by your name and topic or theorem. Remember, when you are explaining the video, first thing you have to tell your name. What is your name first? Then you have to tell the topic name or a theorem which you are going to explain in that video. Coming to the next, sixth one. The selected participants will be given register number for voting. Remember, those who have sent all the videos, those one video from each person, that all the videos will not going to upload, because some videos may have the thing that is not suitable for us. That is, it may be a not about the mathematics, it about any other subject, or it may be a background, having the background music. If the video is not so clear and the wrong information is given, that videos all we will not going to upload in the YouTube. So which are these videos are selected, for them we will have the register number. It will be helpful for you to vote a specific video, and all the videos are separately we will upload in the YouTube our channel. And remember one thing, if anyone will send first video, their register number will be PSM01 and their name. For example, if any one person named Suresh have sent an video, his register number will be PSM01 and space his name Suresh. If one more person have sent one more video, then his register number will be PSM02 space his or her name. So like this way we will give the register number. So this is will be easy to understand which video you have to vote and how to ask the vote from the viewers. Coming to the next rule, the most minutes viewed, watch time and most liked videos on YouTube will be rewarded cash prize. In our channel, your videos will be uploaded. Then after uploading that video, you will given the time to vote. That time you can vote it two types of vote. First one, the competition. In this competition, the most minutes viewed watch time, which will have the most watch time. I'm talking about the watch time, not views. So those will have, you will have the separate one prize. So second one, we will have the second type of prize, that is called as the most liked videos. So in total videos which will have most number of like to their videos, they will get the one more prize. So there are two prizes in a mathematical modeling and theorem competition. Not only one, we have two prizes separately. First one, most minutes viewed, that is watch time, how many minutes they have watched. So based on that we will have the prize for the first. And second one, most liked videos, and this is also important because those will have most like to their videos and they will get the separate prize. So remember, and both the prizes one participant can win. If you have a most minutes viewed as a your video, then you will get the prize, and most like videos if you have also, you will get the prize. Coming to for voting, if you want to vote, what you have to do first? You have to subscribe our channel, that is PSM First Word Solution for Maths channel, and it is compulsory to subscribe. So that is the one rule. And coming to the 10th rule, no entrance fee for the competition. There will be no entrance fees for the competition. it will be free of cost. You can enter to the competition and you can win the cash prize. The 11th rule is due date is 20th May 2020. Remember to send your video. The last date is 20th May 2020. After 20th May, if you will send the video also, we will not accept. So remember that the due date is 20th May 2020. To send that video, here are the some more rules. The first one, you can send your original video file to Telegram app. Remember, you have to send your video to the Telegram app and the number is given in the video, that is 8546890750. For this number, you have to send the video, that is original video file you can send to the Telegram. If you want to send it to email, the file should not be more than 25 MB. Remember, if you want to mail anything, it will not be possible to mail more than 25 MB any video or any file. So here if you want to mail by email, so that you have to follow that. It must be, the video must be less than 25 MB. You have to send to the following email, that is perfectsolutionformath@gmail.com. To this mail, and exceeding 25 MB needs video compress using any video compress app. So if it is more than 25 MB, so you have to compress that video and you have to make it within 25 MB. And this is only for if you are sending email. If you want to send by Telegram, you can send any big file also. You can send nearly 100 MB file also. So in Telegram app you can use it. You can open the account and you can send the original file. If it is 100 MB also, it is okay. But if you want to email that, there is a one disadvantage is you have to make that video to 25 MB, then only you can send it. If it is less than 25, it will not give any problem to you, but it is more than 25 MB, you have to convert, you have to compress that video to the by using the video compress app. The Telegram you can send the original video. Coming to the 12th rule, voting will be open from 24th May 2020 to 31st May 2020 till 11:59 p.m. Remember this date, 24th May 2020 to 31st May 2020 till 11:59 p.m. On 24th, it will be by morning, it will be given to the voting. The timing we will refer next, but it will start from 24th May to 31st May 2020. So till 11:59 p.m. you have the time to vote your video. For this competition there will be no age limit. Remember, anyone you can participate from the any age, starting age to the last. If you are elder or more than 50 years or less than 50 years, or you are a student, you can participate in this competition. Coming to the 14th rule, committee decision is final decision. What the PSM, perfect solution for math, they will take the decision, it will be the final decision. And 15th rule is winners will be announced on 2nd June 2020 in our YouTube channel. So remember this. So announcement of the result will be on 2nd June 2020. Coming to the end, the PSM perfect solution for math and the sponsor Milan Enterprises, we will wish you all the best for the mathematical modeling and theorem competition. Thank you.